This is a 2021 Dodge Challenger XST, the V6. We're gonna do a rear muffler delete on it, but leave the factory tips on there. We're also gonna remove the factory mid mufflers, put some nice single chamber V tubes, but leave it all stock up front. Customer wants a really good rumble, a little better sound overall than a straight pipe. Closest thing you can get to that V8 tone. We'll get back to you here in a bit. Okay, we have removed the rear mufflers, installed a muffler delete pipe in its place. We have the single chamber V2 mufflers and left it all stock up front like I mentioned earlier. Give it some rumble. Let's see what it sounds like.